Replace short thermostat wires without losing access or making bad connections by using techniques that preserve conductor length and ensure secure terminations for reliable heating and cooling control. For expert-level handling, first cut power at the furnace or air handler and verify no voltage with a meter. Never trust the thermostat switch alone. Remove trim and base plate to access the wire bundle. Then label each conductor with masking tape and a permanent marker so you do not swap common heat, cool, fan, or system-specific wires. If wires are too short, do not pull hard. Use a flexible insulation hanger or fish tape looped behind the thermostat wall plate to gently pull more slack from inside the wall while an assistant feeds at the furnace end. This avoids stretching and damaging conductors. When trimming damaged ends, strip only the minimum insulation needed for a secure terminal wrap, about 3/8 of an inch, and twist stranded conductors before inserting into screw terminals or splicing. For splices, use gel-filled, push-in, insulated connectors that accept the conductor sizes and are rated for low-voltage thermostat wiring. Heat-shrinkable butt connectors with adhesive-lined shrink tubing are another moisture-resistant option if access allows. If adding length, choose the same gauge and stranded copper wire. Avoid solid core for flexibility, and keep total added length under the control board manufacturer limits to prevent signal drop on smart thermostats. Test continuity and correct labeling at both ends before restoring power, then configure any system terminals for two-stage or common wire requirements on the thermostat interface. Finally, secure excess slack in the wall cavity with a small nylon cable tie or foam padding so wires cannot be pulled back when installing the trim plate. One of the most common thermostat installation mistakes is improper wiring identification causing system malfunction. Fix this by labeling each conductor at both ends and verifying function with a meter and system response. One of the frequent errors is overstretching or nicking conductors while pulling slack, leading to intermittent connection or breakage. Prevent this by using a fish tape or insulation hanger to gently retrieve wire and trim only the damaged section. One of the top issues is using incorrect splice methods that corrode or loosen over time, creating poor contact and thermostat faults. Remediate with sealed, gel-filled connectors or adhesive-lined heat shrink and match conductor type and gauge. BigHomeProjects.com is a directory that connects homeowners needing thermostat or other home system work with trusted local contractors who follow these professional wiring and installation practices. Contractors list profiles and verified reviews on BigHomeProjects.com so homeowners can find skilled technicians and contractors can generate quality leads.